If you're new to running ads, whether it's Facebook, Google, YouTube, anywhere, there are some concepts that typically confuse all beginners. So I want to go over them now.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And hopefully clear them up a little bit. And as we keep going through the ads, they're going to become more and more clear. And I'm going to be showing you how to use it doing screen sharing. But now I just want to kind of get started in helping you understand it. And so there's these ad campaigns, sets, and individual ads. What does it all mean? It's really confusing. And for me, it also took a long time to get wrap my mind around it. Like, why do we need it? And if you're just running like one basic ad and you're not planning to change up your photos or change up your ads or bidding or targeting, actually you probably don't need it. But if you plan to really stick with your ads and really perfect them and make them work, this is going to help you tremendously. So the way ads are broken down is, for any goal that you want, you have one campaign. So for example, to promote my mobile app, just one campaign, mobile app promotion. And under this campaign, you're going to have one or more ad sets. A set is going to define some things for you, like the targeting, right? So let's say in one set, you want to target men. In another set, you want to target women. In another set, you want to target older people. In another set, you want to target younger people. In another set, you want to target a custom audience, like a special audience. Then, of course, for every set, you create a budget, you create a schedule, and you also create bidding strategies. Maybe you want to bid higher, bid lower, bid double, bid underbid, all those things. And you're going to be able to choose placements, like where does your ad appear in what instances. That's all in the ad set. So it's a lot of the settings of the ad, essentially. You can think of it as settings. Now, in each ad set, you have one or more actual ads. Actual ads are basically the type of text you use, the pictures you use, the videos you use. It's called your creative. In the marketing world, there's a term, your creative. That just means your pictures, text, video, however you structure your ad to make it appealing. And so in one ad set, you can play around with different creatives, like different pictures, different videos, and see which get better results. And once you stumble on some photo that maybe gets a higher sign-up rate or higher click-through rate or better leads, then you keep that, and you can keep on experimenting with the ads under a specific ad set, so that the ad set is consistent, and the only thing that's different are your copywriting text, your pictures. So you'll know, oh, these pictures are working better, this is better. So you'll be able to refine and perfect your individual ads over time. So this is a really good way to organize your entire campaign in this structure, and that's why this structure is used across a lot of different online advertising places like Facebook ads, Google ads. They all use it, and if you don't get it, it's really confusing. If you get it, it becomes really clear. So this hierarchy of everything is under one campaign has multiple ad sets, and each ad set can have different creative that you can experiment with. So you ultimately can experiment with different ad sets and a lot of different ads to see what works and what doesn't work, and ultimately get to more and more highly converting, more effective ads.